Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So Karwachauth is coming, and for that I thought of doing a small DIY video, and for that I decorated my Karwachauth Channi. So it was like super simple, and I did not even plan for anything. I just used the random cloths that were lying around and one of my old earring which I wanted to throw, and it turned out just beautiful. And my Karwachauth will have my personal touch. So before starting with the video, of course, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that and do like this video, comment on it, and if you need any help, please reach out to me and let's make a Karwa Chauth super special with our personal touch. And so yeah, let's start with the video.
So this is the normal sieve, and I have this piece of cloth from a kurta that I had stitched. So this is the leftover cloth. We have Fevicol, we have a scissor, and these are some earrings which are broken now. So I'm going to use these also. So this is the lace that I have removed from the cloth, and I took the measurement of the diameter of the sieve, and this is the cloth that is the same as the diameter of the sieve. And you can see these are the crystals that I removed from the earring, my old earring. So I have glued the cloth all over the mesh, and here you can see I have divided the lace into small pieces, and this is how I'm sticking them. So this is done, and now the gaps between the two lace pieces, I'm gonna stick the crystals that I got from my earrings. And this is how I did it. Okay, it's not very professional, but yeah, it's good.